Hello everyone. Nice to meet you again here, and welcome to back in my Tibetan class. As last week we learned the four characters Sa, Ra, Ma, Pa from the 30 consonants. Okay, so today I will teach you how to combine the four vowels with Sa, Ra, Ma, Pa. Okay, and their meanings as well. Okay, so here we go. Okay, here, how to combine the four vowels with these four characters. Okay, uh, you already know these four characters and the four vowels, how to read and how to write. So, except how to combine and how to pronounce after we combine these four vowels with the saramava. Okay, so here we go. So first one is sa, naro, so, sa, naro, so, sa, naro, so. Okay, and then how to write? It's easy. You already know how to write the sa. So just put the naro here like this. Okay, it's a so, and the final sound is so. Pronunciation is so. Okay, and then the second one. Okay, this one ma ding bo me ma ding bo me ma ding bo me. Okay, so how to write, how to combine these two. Okay, ma, okay, this is ma, then we have to put dingbo here. This is a ma dingbo me, me, okay. And the third one, okay, ra kiku ri, ra kiku ri, ra kiku ri. Okay, so how to put this one, how to combine and the ra, okay, you already know ra, how to write it. Ra, then have put the kiku, ra kiku ri, ra kiku ri, ri. The final pronunciation is ri. Okay, then the last one, okay, it's a pa, shabchu, pu, pa, shabchu, pu, pa, shabchu, pu. Okay, the pa. Okay, it's pa. Then we have to put the shabchu here. Pa, shabchu, pu, pa, shabchu, pu. This is pu. Okay, the final pronunciation or sound is pu. Okay, for today that's it, and I hope it helps a little bit you guys, and next week I will teach 5 new characters. Okay, 5 new characters from the 30 consonants. Okay, so I will show you this one. Okay, these five characters I will teach in next week. Okay, that's it. Then, 터치나